What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to talk about the Nikon D300S. We're going to take some portraits with the model.
Hi everyone, I'm Penny.
And I want to say major thanks to her for coming out and just taking pictures with me. I'm going to do some portraits with the Nikon D300S. I'll have links below on where you can purchase this camera as well, and with the lenses I'll use. Right now I have the 35mm 1.8G DX on. I'll try the Tamron 45, the Nikon 50 1.8G, and the 85 1.8G. Let's just get straight to it and do some portraits. So here is the Nikon D300S with the 35mm 1.8G DX. Those were the shots with the 35 1.8G DX. Now I'm going to move on to the Tamron 45 1.8. So that was the shots with the Tamron 45 1.8. I have links below where you can get this lens if you're interested in purchasing it. And now I'm going to move on to the Nikon 50mm 1.8G. So those were the shots with the Nikon 50mm 1.8G. I'll have links below where you can purchase this lens because it is the nifty 50 and it's really well known. I really like it. I always come back to it. You can check out my review on the 50mm right there. I'll have links below where you can purchase this lens. And now I have on the 85mm 1.8G on the Nikon D300S. And here we go. Close your eyes like that. There you go. 2, 3. Hey everyone, so that was the Nikon D300S with the 4 lenses, the 35, the 45, the 50, and the 85. I want to say thanks to Penny for coming out to model.
Thanks for having me. It's always a pleasure working together.
I forget the age, but it's still like a 10-plus-year-old camera. It's still really good. All you just need is a really nice prime lens or a nice lens just to really bring out the camera's potential. If you like this camera and the lenses, I have links below where you can purchase them too. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have the Nikon D300S, comment below and let me know what you think. I know some people are still using it for sports and portraits. Comment below and let me know what you think about it. I really appreciate everyone watching. See ya.